Bharatiya Janata Party's relentless attack on Charanjit Singh Channi over the Poonch remark. The BJP is now targeting Charanjit Singh Channi and wire him to the Congress party, saying shame on the Congress party for politicizing the Poonch terror attack. The Bharatiya Janata Party has added, resurgence of terror is in Punjab, while they are blaming the BJP of the stuntbazi. BJP has also added, shame on Channi for calling this terror attack a stunt. This is Amit Malviya, the BJP leader, who's posted on social media site X, saying shame on the Congress party for politicizing the terror attack on the Indian Air Force convoy in Poonch, in which we have lost one Air Force personnel as well. And he said former Punjab Chief Minister and Congress Jalandhar candidate Channi calling it a stunt is more shocking than one reason. And he says basically he's from Punjab, he should know terrorism is a real threat. And he says on 2nd May, Gurminder Singh, an Advocate General of Punjab, submitted to the Supreme Court that in recent years there's been a resurgence in Punjab as well. Also asking, why does Congress party always question the martyrdom of the soldiers, whether it's in Pulwama, and then they get support of Fawad Chaudhry on this? All of this is what they are mentioning. So he's given few pointers and said, why is Congress constantly a terror apologist? Why is Congress constantly speaking in a manner which gives a clean chit to the terror actions? So that's a big story coming in. This is with regard to Charanjit Singh Channi's comment that was also targeted by the BJP leaders, including Anurag Thakur. So here's what had happened. Let me give you a lowdown. It was a big charge, a claim by Congress leader Charanjit Singh Channi. He's a former Punjab Chief Minister. He's also incumbent candidate. And he has said that the recent attack on the Indian Air Force convoy in Jammu and Kashmir's Poonch was orchestrated. He's accusing the BJP of orchestrating these terror incidents to sway the elections, he's claiming. Channi is accusing the Saffron clan that then they play politics over even the dead bodies of the soldiers. BJP has been quick to hit back. They are slamming Charanjit Singh Channi and accusing him of even trying to weaken the Indian Armed Forces and insulting Jawans for electoral gains. Just to give you a background, remember in Poonch there was a terror attack recently. Indian Air Force personnel were targeted. One personnel also was killed in the line of duty, while 4 sustained serious injuries after their convoy was fired upon. And you're looking at those visuals. This was May 4th evening.
क्या 1962 का युद्ध, 1965 का युद्ध, 1971 का युद्ध, क्या ये कांग्रेस ने चुनाव जीतने के लिए करवाए थे? इससे घटिया बयान जिस पे कांग्रेस पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष को माफी मांगनी चाहिए, सोनिया जी और राहुल गांधी जी को माफी मांगनी चाहिए, देश से माफी मांगनी चाहिए। हमारी सेना का अपमान करते हैं। मैं सवाल इस पे आता है कि कांग्रेस पार्टी कितना गिरेगी, कितने हल्के बयान देगी। क्या कांग्रेस चुनाव जीतने के लिए अब हमारे वीर सैनिकों को भी अपमान करेगी?
ऐसा है कि ये स्टंटबाजी हो रही है, हमले नहीं हो रहे। पिछली बार भी जब इलेक्शन आते हैं तो ऐसे स्टंट खेले जाते हैं और बीजेपी को जिताने का संविधान तैयार किया जाता है। ये तैयार किए हुए सारे पहले से तैयार करके हमले करवाए जाते हैं। ये बीजेपी को जिताने का एक स्टंट होता है, इसमें सच्चाई नहीं होती। लोग मरवाने और लोगों के लाशों पे खेलना ये बीजेपी को आता है।
मोदी जी हड़बड़ा करवाते हैं लोगों को, केवल इन लोगों ने लड़वाने का काम किया, हिंदू मुसलमान कराने का। शहीद जो हुए ये सब किनके वजह से हुए? ये मोदी जी के वजह से हुए, नहीं तो पहले कहाँ कोई शहीद हुआ?
कांग्रेस हो, नेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस हो या समाजवादी पार्टी, इनके बयान आतंकवाद को प्रश्रय देने वाले, राष्ट्रीय सुरक्षा के साथ खिलवाड़ करने वाले, भारत के बहादुर जवानों की शहादत को अपमानित करने वाले हैं। चुनाव के दौरान या उसके आगे पीछे भी इस प्रकार के बयान देशद्रोही तत्वों के दुस्साहस को बढ़ाता है।
जवान का शहीद होना कांग्रेस के लिए नौटंकी और ड्रामा है, राजनीतिक ड्रामा है। ये है कांग्रेस का असली चेहरा, ये है गांधी परिवार का असली चेहरा। ये कोई नई बात नहीं है। यह हमारे सैनिकों के प्रति ऐसी भावना है। ये गंदी राजनीति से बाज नहीं आ सकते। ये वोटों की तुष्टीकरण के लिए पाकिस्तान को खुश करने के लिए किसी कदर भी नीचे गिर सकते हैं। और इसीलिए चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी ने ऐसा घटिया बयान दिया है, क्योंकि पाकिस्तान आजकल राहुल गांधी की तारीफ कर रहा है और चरणजीत सिंह चन्नी हमारे जवानों के शहादत को एक नौटंकी और फ्रॉड और ड्रामा बता रहे हैं।
There is a group of people who are enjoying all the political powers, who are getting protected by our armed forces stationed in the border, whose sacrifices is helping us to sleep peacefully at night, and they demean their sacrifice at every given opportunity. We have seen this even during the start of the elections. We are seeing it now. It is a cowardly statement. Any person who believes that the soul of this country is under attack will not say this.
So let's go across now to India Today's Kamaljeet Sandhu, because this has turned into a full-blown political showdown as well, with the claim that has come in and a charge from Charanjit Singh Channi. Kamaljeet, I gather that you have the BJP leader Sanjay Tandon with you, who's also a candidate from Chandigarh. Go ahead. How is the BJP escalating this?
Well, in the heat of political campaign, there seems to be a lot of dust which is rising. A foot-and-mouth comment by Charanjit Channi, and this is obviously causing a lot of embarrassment to the Congress party. We have with us Sanjay Tandon, who is the BJP candidate from Chandigarh. Sir, you're on live with India Today. We'd like to speak to him as far as this entire comment is concerned. Remember, this is something which is causing a lot of agony, and this is going to be leaving a lasting impression as far as Punjab is concerned. We'll just try and see if we can speak to Sanjay Tandon for a bit. Sir, at this point of time, Charanjit Singh Channi has made this awful comment, sir, which pertains to, the soldiers. How do you view this? How is BJP planning to escalate? Because obviously this is a direct attack on BJP, calling this a political stunt by the ruling party.
I think Mr. Channi, the kind of place which he has held, I think it's demeaning on that he makes such kind of statement. He should look inside, and especially the issues which are related to the national security. One should not talk so casually about it, and that also at in this time of elections. So I only request that a good will should prevail on his mind, and he should restrain himself from making such odd statements.
So do you think this statement is...
All right, so that's the big comment coming in from the BJP leader, and this is what the Neta said, and we'll be tracking all the latest on what these Netas are charging on such a sensitive terror-related issue.